Alright, here we have a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Car was in an accident a long time ago. The customer said that somebody fixed his seatbelt. If you see, the seatbelt is deployed, it's shrunk. So that's how it's supposed to look. And one of the hack jobs that call themselves car electricians, what they did is, they cut the wire, and they probably added a resistor somewhere on the wire harness of this, so that's unplugged completely. So what happens if this person gets in another accident, the seatbelt is never going to deploy, so it's not going to do its job right. So don't do that. People can sue you. It's bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this seatbelt for a complete used one, a known good one, and fix this butcher of a job that looks horrible. Let me take all this apart and see what they cut and where they did a resistor. I'll take pictures of that, and people like that, I don't know, stop doing that. All right, here we have the seatbelt completely removed. First of all, when you repair wire, especially airbag wire, you want to solder it or crimp it at least. So this is what they do to cheat. They put a resistor in line with the two cables, tricking the computer that the seatbelt hasn't deployed. I mean, that's completely wrong, and I can't seem to find. Okay, here it is. There's another resistor here. I mean, look at this beautifulness of a job. It's completely wrong. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna splice this, clean it up, splice some new connectors on it, solder them, and do a nice job, and then replace it. I mean, don't do that. That's horrendous of a job. All right, so first wire repaired. Now we have to shrink it. Don't burn it. So this is a butane portable torch. It's great. You just heat it up nice and easy. Don't overdo it because you can melt the plastic. That's it. So that's a good wire repair right there. Alright, now we have to fix this one. Hope I have enough wire to do it. But yeah. Alright, here we have the second one. The cables are crimped. If this thing focuses. Alright, so we crimp it. We have to get some shrink tubing around it. Put that in there. Alright, so here we have the bottom part of the seatbelt. I think it's called the pretensioner, installed. This is a force limiter part of the seatbelt. Installed, the wire replaced, everything's stuck there. Goes in and out really easy. So now we just have to put all the trim, and that's it. So this goes first here. You can do it with one hand, so hold on. So first plastic install, the trim, confirm the seatbelt comes in and out fairly easy. Now it's just this part here, that is this. Install that and keep moving. Hold on. All right, so here we have it. It's all assembled and done. Seatbelt retracts easily, is no longer deployed. Now we're gonna scan it, delete all the codes, and that's it. Now we're gonna go in diagnostics to check the codes present on the car. This one does automatic bin detection, loads, scans the bin. Now it knows it's a Nissan. Alright, VIN number of the vehicle. Pathfinder 2015. Correct. Diagnosis, control unit. We're going to airbag. So read codes. See, past pretensioner, front right open. So past, it means fixed before. That means I fixed it. Go escape. Erase codes. Is the ignition on and the engine off? It is. So you go yes. Correct. Codes has successfully raised. Return. Alright, so read codes. No fault codes detected. On airbags, you better cycle the ignition on and on. Turn it on. The airbag light should come on, go off, and stay off. Solve the dust from the customer's car. I mean, I don't know what the light is about, but I just know what I came here for. That's it. So one more time, I just go read codes. No fault codes detected. Cycle the ignition, turn it off, turn it back on. Read codes. No fault codes detected. So it's good, it's fixed. On to the next.